Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with CCH Axcess Tax for client portals, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with CCH Axcess Tax for client portals, visit the CCH Axcess website. Locate the sign up or register option on the homepage. Click on the option to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email address that you have access to. After entering your email, click on the Next button. You will receive an email containing a verification link. Check your inbox and click on the verification link. This link will redirect you to the registration form. Fill out the required fields, including your name and firm details. Create a secure password following the guidelines provided. After filling in all necessary information, review your entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the registration form. You may need to answer additional security questions for account protection. After successful registration, log in using your new credentials. Explore the client portal's features to familiarize yourself. Make sure to set up your profile preferences. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. You are now ready to use CCH Axcess Tax for your client portals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.